Our team works hard to ensure our clients are satisfied, so we love it when our clients provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing our customer took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. 5-star reviews are great, but our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star review. So why wait? Call us on the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.